Hi YouTube, I am Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a very interesting topic for all of you. This was actually requested by one of you only in one of my videos, and I was pretty intrigued with this idea. And yeah, as you can see the title of this video, this is going to be the next big plot twist coming in your life. A timeless reading, so not necessarily time bounded at all. You can watch this any time of your life, and this hopefully should resonate. So yeah, we're going to see what is it that is happening, coming in your life in the upcoming months. Something significant, something very important is what we're going to check. So yeah, do let me know if this video resonated. Like, save, share, comment, whatever you want to watch next. And yeah, subscribe to my channel and hype this video as many times as you can, just as a token of support for me. And if you want to book a session with me, you can always do so. All the information is in the description box below. So yeah, without any further delay, let's just get into it. This is going to be a pick a pile reading. So I have two piles in front of me. One is a golden heart quartz and one is a black kyanite. So we have two piles for you all. Okay, sorry. So choose wisely, choose carefully, close your eyes, meditate, and you should get an intuitive feeling that this is your pile or this is your pile. So pile number 1 is this, and pile number 2 is this, golden heart quartz and black kyanite. So whatever feels called to you, you should choose. I'm going to keep shut for the next 5 seconds. All right, I'm assuming you guys have chosen. If you need more time, you can always pause this video and decide, okay? All right, let's just get into it. All right, so if you've chosen pile number 1, which is this pile, golden healer quartz, this is going to be your tarot reading. We are going to see basically what is it that you are going to be experiencing, what is the next big plot twist coming into your life, and what can you do with it, what is the information. I'm not kind of going to go very deep with it. We are just going to be looking at what is the information and we're going to take it from there, right? So right off the bat, I feel like you guys are now, since the past 4 months, I'm assuming, are starting to put yourself outside your home. Okay, you are kind of going out more, even if that means you're going out solo. You're opening yourself up to outdoors. Okay, I'm getting that intuitive feeling. Some of you could be having some of you could have recently purchased gold. Okay, so or your family would have purchased gold kharida hoga. Some of you might have even gone to a healer. So some of you might have booked a tarot reading with anybody, or you might have gone or learned tarot reading, or you might have gone to a healer, Reiki healer, or you might have practiced it, learned it. Something of that sort is happening. So most of you are kind of understanding that in this period of time, the last couple of months, there is some kind of a shift in a way where you are wanting to improve yourself. And that improvement is somewhere more technical. Okay, like actually improving in terms of like, okay, I want to add a skill, or I want to become like skill or a soft skill, right? I want to become more magnetic as a person, as an individual. I want to meet new people, I want to talk to a lot of people, I want to learn something new. And it's kind of giving me an energy where you are starting to realize that it's not that scary. Okay, which is a very good thing. It's a very good thing. So if you've been doing this, then this is very good. It's a very good sign. It's a positive sign for you. So अगर ये इनमें से कोई भी चीज़ आप पे apply हो रही है, take it in a good way. Like, okay, this is something that you are actually going to see improvement at. Okay, so let's see what is the next big shift in your life. What is the big plot twist that you can expect? Pile number 1. Some of you must be wearing golden color, like golden outfit. Golden matlab sequence golden, yellow, mustard, black, orange, brown. Some of you must be wearing white. Some of you must be having a pattern, which is like a straight line pattern. Kuch aise straight line pattern hai. That is what you must be experiencing. Okay. So we are going to be seeing what is it that is coming into your life. Give me a couple of minutes. One specific thing that is coming to me is that you might have kept your heart blocked. Okay, when I say heart blocked, I mean that you might be a person who is not very interested in the idea of being in love. I think you would be purposely, some of you are purposely keeping your emotions under control, under check. Some of you are purposely not willing to take the path of a relationship. Some of you are purposely, deliberately not wanting to fall in love. It's a it's a thing that you're purposely doing. Like you're actively keeping in mind that no, I don't want to end up falling in love. I don't want to meet anybody. I don't want to get into anything casual or serious. And I think that is changing. Okay. There's a shift in your perceptions towards love. Now, for example, even if you are around somebody who you like, who you're interested in, who you actually enjoy spending time with, but you are calculative about it. You are actually being very hesitant about the fact that no, I want to keep myself safe. I want to keep my heart secured. I don't want to kind of follow that path. That is going to change. I think you're going to be opening your heart out. You're going to be opening the area of your love area of your heart. There is also going to be a clarity in terms of love life in your life. And I think that is something that is going to be a decision you will only take. It's not going to be happening for you. Just like how you decided that, okay, I don't want to fall in love. I think that is going to be a shift in the upcoming months. We'll check the timeline also, don't worry. In the upcoming months or in the next plot twist, you will yourself take the decision ki now I'm ready to fall in love. Now I'm interested to know who's coming into my life. Or if you're already in a relation, if you're already liking somebody, then you'll be like, you know what, I think I can give relationship a shot. Or I want to take this forward. I want to take this relationship energy forward. I'm getting an energy where some of you are very connected to, or you feel very like you feel very connected with butterflies. I don't know why I'm getting this energy. If you see butterflies around you a lot, you will this will happen. Okay, so if you see butterflies a lot in your life, this is going to happen. If you're a number 8 Mulang Bhagyang, this is going to happen. If you're a 3 or 5 number Mulang or Bhagyang, this is going to be applicable to you as well. If your favorite color is pink, then this is also going to be applicable for you guys as well. I'm assuming some of you guys are going on a trek in a jungle. I don't know why. Forest area. If that is happening, then that is also a great thing. Or it can happen. So in the next couple of months, this is also happening. I don't know why my nose is itching so much. Okay, some of you must be having a blocked nose as well. Very, very itchy nose. Or maybe you must be also having like itchiness around your face. Okay, so that is what I can see. So love life, like more specifically, I can see people who have been unlucky in love, getting luckier in love. Let's just put it that way. People who have chosen to not tread that path, maybe because of fear, maybe because of past baggages. You will be able to, as I said, heal yourself and be able to open yourself up to love. If you are a person who's wanting love in your life and you're waiting for something to happen, I'm not going to say that you're going to get into a relationship, but I think some blockages will get opened up. So I'm getting an energy where some things that were having a roadblock, that blockage will get better. Road openings will happen, like openings of things that were not seeming that helpful. That is going to happen. You're going to discover something very important about yourself. कुछ बहुत ही significant अपने बारे में आप discover करने वाले हो. What is it? Let me check actually. Like you're going to be paying attention towards something. Oh, okay, discovering some kind of a dishonesty. So what I'm seeing is that you're going to uncover somebody's lies. Biggest plot twist is that somebody has been giving you a sense of narrative that will be an eye-opener for you. So the biggest plot twist is coming into your life, that somebody who is swearing that they are being honest to you, swearing that they never lied to you, or swearing that, you know what, this is something that I promised to God, I am in your favor, or I did this, unka chehra naqab nikalne wala hai. So I think that what you're discovering is, and through your own eyes, somewhere I feel like somebody is telling you, कोई एक थर्ड पार्टी है जो आपको बता रही है कि यार ये जो बंदा है ना, ये आपसे झूठ बोल रहा है, ये पर्सन या ये सिचुएशन ने आपको दगा दी है. But you will not be able to trust it, or you're saying that no, this has not happened, or you will just kind of ignore it. You might not even think about it. But when this energy will come into your life, the big plot twist, you from your own eyes will discover the dishonesty. You from your own eyes will see that, oh, this is what is the narrative happening. So it is not like somebody else is filling your ears and you're believing them. You are actually realizing through your own eyes, through your own understanding, what is the other person's dishonest energy like, okay? That's the first thing. The second big plot twist is that you will yourself not like certain lies that you're telling yourself. कुछ चीजें ऐसे होंगी जहाँ पे आप अपने आप को like purposely you're keeping yourself in the darkness. Purposely you're trying to give excuses for certain things. Purposely you're trying to keep yourself like you're ensuring that you're giving justifications for why you behave and how you behave. I think that is also that is also something that you're going to be very particular about. Like the big plot twist is like you're not going to be apologetic to yourself anymore. You're not going to keep giving justifications as to why you behave the way you behave. You will have very low threshold and very low tolerance to self-victimization is what I'm trying to say. तो खुद से झूठ बोलना आप बंद कर दोगे. खुद से ये जो energy है of trying to present yourself as I'm not at fault, I can never be wrong, वो change हो रहा है. So accountability is what you're taking, right? Sometimes I feel like there are certain narratives that go in your mind and you have an answer for everything. Yet ये situation ऐसी थी इसलिए मैंने ऐसे react करा. You know, I was not thinking this way, that's why I reacted this way. But you should, or you will be able to take that one understanding कि ये हो रहा है ना मेरे साथ, तो maybe this is something that I need to be looking at. So the idea of being self-aware, that is very important कि आप चीज़ों को नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर रहे हो. You're not brushing things under the carpet. You're not, like, you are acknowledging that there are certain things that you need to work on. And that is a very, very important thing. And that's why it's also linked to this energy of love and pathway, where the biggest way of showing self-love to yourself is not the conventional self-love. It's not about giving yourself a haircut and giving yourself nice nails to do. I think the biggest demarcation of self-love is to be able to discover certain aspects of you that you were not really wanting to look at, that you knew that were harmful for you, yet you still kept giving justifications because you didn't want to kind of look at yourself in the eye. And I think that is a very big important plot twist, because this is leading to a sense of maturity in your life. Okay. I also feel like there are places where I don't know why I'm getting very specifically, places where you couldn't give an answer to people ना, आपको आंसर देना नहीं आता है, या आप डरते हो, you are not a good, like, you don't give a reply well, आप reply देने लग जाओगे. Big plot twist is coming into your life where you will have the confidence to give a reply to somebody who's trying to pull you down. अभी क्या होता है कि you have something to say but you gulp down that words और आपको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है, या you're not good with comebacks. And I think in the upcoming plot twist, let's just see what is the month timeline. बताओ मुझे timeline for this. Upcoming timeline for when is this plot twist going to happen? Okay, let's see. Choices seem confusing. 3 months from now. So 3 months from now, which is anytime, like timeless energy. So 3 months from now, you can do the math, is where you are going to experience the ability to give a good comeback. So comeback देना आपको आ जाएगा. You will be able to answer. What is more important is the ability to tell other people that this is like the idea of just being able to stand for yourself, stand your ground is very important. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपकी गलती होती भी नहीं है, तभी आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लेते हो. Sometimes you're not at fault, but since you're not able to stand up for yourself, you are made to be the villain, right? And I think that is what is going to discover. You're going to discover the ability to be able to be convincing, the ability to stand your ground, to be able to actually say what your truth is, to be able to speak your truth. I think that is what is also going to be a big plot twist in your life. Okay, what else? Something good. Give me something very, very significant here. Give me something significant. What is the next big plot twist? I think you guys are going to go on a very, this could be far-fetched, okay? I think that you're going to go on an international solo trip. I don't know why I'm getting this energy, but I feel like some of you are going to go on an international solo trip, okay? Or some of you are going to go to a solo trip, which is going to be to a praying place, जहाँ पे आप pray करते हो. Pilgrimage हो गया, temple, or wherever, like whatever religion you are from. So solo trip towards a place of worship, okay? That's the first thing. Second thing is, I believe that you are going to find somebody new to stalk. Okay, so something new, either to stalk, like आपको कोई एक नया crush होने लग जाएगा जिसको आप stalk करोगे, something very big plot twist if you're single. Or number 2 is that you are going to be curious about something very new in your life. कुछ नया ऐसे आप experience करोगे, or you will be very curious about something very unique. So this could be curious about a new, movie, curious about a new celebrity. It could be curious about a new interesting topic in the world of science. This could be curious about, about the recent reality TV show. It's like something significant is going to be taking in a part of your life जहाँ पे आप एक rabbit hole में चले जाने वाले हो. And it is going to be very, it is going to be very immersive, okay? Or you might get into like video gaming and a new game is coming in and you're getting immersed in that. Or something very, something that is going to cut down the monotony of your life, okay? That's what I'm trying to say. कि कुछ monotonous चल रहा है आपके life में, उसको cut करने के लिए कुछ एक interesting, significant हो सकता है. Now say suppose you are somebody who's above the age of 35, okay? And you're married and you're having children. This is a significance that you're going to take some time off yourself to be able to feed the things that you like, to be able to feed the things that you actually enjoy. You are going to be a person who's not going to be looking at, okay, my child wants this, my husband wants this. You're going to eat what you want. You're going to cook the food that you want. You want to watch the movie that you want. You're going to go on a solo trip, solo date, just to be able to enjoy your own me time. So I'm sensing this energy where a lot of times in the previous couple of months, there has been a sense of बिजीनेस इन योर लाइफ. काफ़ी चीज़ें बिजी मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूँगी कि आप बहुत बिजी थे, मैं बोलूँगी काफ़ी थॉट्स आपके बहुत दिमाग में चल रहे थे, एंड देर वॉज नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ cohesion in those thoughts. The big plot twist is happening in your life where you will be like, you know what, in order for me to stand erect in my life, to be able to get some kind of a expansion, I need to cut the chaos. तो अपना chaos आप cut करोगे. In the next 3 months, you're going to have very less amount of socializing. Okay, socializing आप कम कर रहे हो. You are treading a journey of, like you're treading a journey of something that actually gives you internal sense of content जहाँ पे आपको अंदर से feel हो रहा है that, and you will be okay with not wanting to stick out. You will be okay with not wanting to be recognized. You'll be okay with not wanting to be बोलते हैं ना कि आपको बाहर, you don't want anybody to really recognize you. You don't want name and fame. You don't want anybody to invite you a lot here and there. You just want to be in your own space. मतलब आपको अपने own space में रहना है, and that is what is happening. It's like the big plot twist is happening where whatever is too, I would say, clout energy ना, जो clout टी बहुत होती है कि oh you are hanging out with this or you're buying this is the brand that you're wearing, यहाँ पे आप invest करे हो, ये सबसे ऊपर चले जाने वाले हो आप. कि जो एक conventional sense of societal clout होता है ना, clout chasing जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि oh this is what is like आपका ये worth है, you know, your reputation, your branded bags and all that, इससे आप ऊपर आने वाले हो आप. You're gonna dive little deeper. Okay, that is a very important significant leveling up also in the way you are as a person, as a human being. More like I'm going to say that you're becoming much more intellectual. आप बहुत ज़्यादा intellectual हो रहे हो. There is an energy of wanting to not play the same game that other people are playing, and also being able to think about things in a very deeper manner. आप चीज़ों को एक depth में सोच रहे हो. You're understanding what zone people are in. You're understanding what is it that is happening in the world, and you're being very self-reliant in that manner, which is very, very important. Okay. What else is happening? Let's see. Something that could not work out in May, in the month of May. So you could be watching this anytime. Something that could not happen in the month of May will happen in the upcoming 3 months. Okay. Say suppose you're watching this before the month of May. Something very significant is going to happen in the month of May. If you're watching this after May, so whatever couldn't happen in the month of May will happen in the upcoming 3 months. So कुछ ना कुछ एक चीज छूट गई होगी आपकी, or maybe your visa couldn't happen in the month of May, or you had a very, very bad, you know, breakup with a friend, you're going to repatch. Okay, or you had a situation where you got laid off, and since that time you're not able to get a job, you're going to get a job. Okay, so a distant friend is going to come towards you for sure. I think that is a big, big, big significator here. Anything that was far away from you is going to come closer to you. Okay, so this could be a friend, this could be a thought process, this could be a long lost hobby as well. Ki maybe this is an energy where you were kind of not in contact with, like a friend, or a romantic connection also could be, or a hobby or something of that sorts, which is like this person is thinking about you. This hobby is wanting you to grab it. Like there's an energy of you being closer to the space or to the idea of reconciliation. Like there's a reconciliation of the hobby or the person, or जो भी है, यहाँ पे एक reconciliation energy मुझे दिख रही है बहुत अच्छे से आपके लिए, which is very nice. So a distant energy is thinking about you for sure. Friend, relationship, family member also could be, cousin, somebody who is estranged. This person is going to reach out to you, and this is going to be a very big plot twist in your life. This is going to, when I say big plot twist, मतलब आपकी life आगे change होने वाली है. ये person की energies के देखकर आपकी life आगे change होने वाली है. एक domino effect होने वाला है जहाँ पे what you're having right now is not going to be the same anymore, right? So that is what you want to be able to expect. Okay, new opportunities, possibilities, and pathway opening. Okay, literally I've got an energy of archway and pathway. So that means that there's some kind of an energy where, like, I'm getting an energy where some of you are going on a trek, or some kind of movement is happening by foot. Some of you are also like going to an Airbnb, which is having like an arch. I don't know why I'm getting that energy. Some of you are actually getting road openers. Like मुझे ये बहुत strong significance है. मेरे कान में गूंज रही है बात. Road opening. Opening of the door. ये वाला energy भी open the door वाला energy है. Open the door. So there is something that is like a new opportunity. कुछ खुल रहा है आपके life में, कुछ खुल रहा है. Something that was having a blockages is opening up, is what I can see, with new possibilities, with new energies coming into your life. There is this kind of a decision that you're taking, or a choice that you're taking, or a sense of acceptance that is there, acknowledgement of certain things that is going to, like, new energies will come into your life after that. Like new energies will be in front of your eyes, okay, which is very, very nice. Yeah, the energy of like a archway and a pathway is very strong, right? I don't know what is it telling me. Let me see, what is it telling me? I think the ability of going from a difficult energy, right? Like before this energy that is coming into life, a sense of chaos, a sense of difficulty, and now the calm after the storm. Like things are getting more calmer, like more settled. Settling energies मुझे ज़्यादा दिख रही हैं आपके लिए. Like you're finding that kind of settlement, you're finding that kind of ease in your energies. Very important energy. हमें लग रहा है कि big plot twist, like you may be thinking that it's not a very big plot twist, but it is, because if somebody has been struggling for a very long time, the fact that they are getting this kind of a change in their energies is a very big plot twist, because then they can experience something good happening in their life, right? So don't think that this is just a minor ऐसा कुछ भी है. लेकिन आप किसी से पूछो जो बहुत ज़्यादा bad luck से जूझ रहा है, what they must be feeling about this energy, correct? So let's see what else. What else is happening? Okay. I think very importantly, you'll know your value. I think आपको ये ज़्यादा समझने की ज़रूरत है कि what is it that you are wanting in your life and what is it that you don't want? What is it that you are birthing in your life and what is it that you're killing in your life? I think that is going to be very important. Setting of boundaries is what I'm going to say. कि एक boundary orientation आप कर रहे हो. That's why that energy of archway and pathway is coming to me very strongly, because maybe this is like a opening of doors to some people in your own life. Some people के लिए आप open doors करोगे, some people आप closed doors करोगे. Some people के लिए आप बोलोगे कि yeah, you are welcome in my life, but for some people you'll be like, no, you're not. You can step away. So the idea of just not only you trading that step ahead in the pathway, but somebody else coming into your pathway also, right? You'll choose to see good in people, right? I feel like yes, you're going to draw boundaries, but you're also going to give people a chance. You're also going to let love guide you. You're also going to allow yourself to be more positive in your life. And this is all linked to the idea that you don't want to be a person who didn't try. In the upcoming 3 months, na, एक sense of maturity आ रही है जहाँ पे आप ऐसे, you're not going to be very malicious. You're not going to be a person who's like, you did bad to me, so I'm going to do bad to you. ऐसी energies नहीं दिख रही है मुझे. You're actually giving a person a benefit of doubt. You're actually understanding where a person is coming from and why did they behave the way they behaved, right? Yeah, I do believe that there's going to be like a lot of excitement. Some kind of a celebration is happening for sure. सेलिब्रेशन नहीं बोलूँगी, मैं बोलूँगी सम काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट इज हैपनिंग. सेलिब्रेशन नहीं है इतना, एक्साइटमेंट है, कुछ एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें हो रही हैं, विच इज़ गोना बी वेरी वेरी फन. I do believe that this is not a time for you. Like one thing I will tell you is that do not take any risks. In times में unnecessary जो risks हैं वो मत लेना, because it's not going to be very, it's not going to be turning into something helpful for you. So it doesn't matter, 6 of swords, bhai sahab, what I was thinking, remember I told you that calm after the storm? I was thinking of 6 of swords only. Like a difficult time, and now you're getting an energy which is somewhere better. The calm after the storm. This is the energy of 6 of swords, what I'm getting. कि आपके पास एक sense of shift energy है, and travel भी आ रहा है मुझे very strongly. Some of you are traveling also. That from a difficult phase of your life, you're going into a positive place of your life. There is improvement in all areas of life. That you're able to see that kind of a significant shift of movement where you are not worrying about things a lot. So the biggest plot twist is the fact that if you have been facing these kind of road blockages, that is getting better for you, okay? Because of this energy, new excitements, new opportunities are coming up to you. Some of you are getting into studies also. Some of you are getting into higher studies also. Some of you are also maybe going into research more. Some of you are actually experiencing, like with the 6 of swords, the ability to also take the responsibility of other people and ensuring that you're doing a good job. Very nice energies, not at all a bad energy at all, okay? 6 of Pentacles, wow, 6 number, harmony is coming in. The ability of wanting to ensure that there's a sense of equilibrium that is being maintained. You can get help also. Financial aid can come into your life. So say suppose some of you are wanting to get into a college with a scholarship. That can happen. Say suppose in your job somebody is wanting to recommend you to a new job, or you are having a jobless time and you're wanting a new job. Somebody can recommend you as well. So somebody can take you under their radar and give you that kind of a push ahead, right? So very, very nice energies, guys. I feel like this is something that you are supposed to be claiming, because this is not something that is a rare sight to see कि सभी कार्ड्स पॉजिटिव ही आए हैं. ऐसा कुछ बिग प्लॉट ट्विस्ट कभी कभी नेगेटिव भी होता है भाई आपके लिए, लेकिन दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज एक्चुअली waiting for you. So yeah, this is the big plot twist that is coming to you in the next 3 months. 3 months is what the timeline told me, and I think this is what it is. I think मुझे लग रहा है कि this is what this information is supposed to come to you. And again, this was not something very masaledar, or this was not something that is going to be very dramatic. And I think that is what is the best thing with the hermit energy and with the six of swords energy. I think slow movements are the best movements. I think the biggest plot twists are when things are not very tower energy like, and when they are not very nine of cups energy like, जहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा extreme energies होती हैं. I think plot twists can also be energies where you realize that, okay, you know what, things are just stabilizing for me. In fact, with the number six is here with the energies of archway and pathway. The understanding of you being able to see the kind of shift and the path that you're taking, and there's no sense of question mark, there's no sense of doubt, there's no sense of I don't know what's happening next. इट्स ऑल अ ब्लर और इट्स ऑल अप टू गॉड. ऐसा नहीं है, आपको दिख रहा है आप कहाँ जा रहे हो, आप वो एनर्जी को एक्सेप्ट करो अपने लाइफ में. यू आर एबल टू हार्मोनाइज योर सेल्फ, यू आर एबल टू शिफ्ट दैट एनर्जी एंड रीबैलेंस एंड बैलेंस योर सेल्फ इन दैट लेवल. A great leveler. Like, I think that the upcoming 3 months are going to be great levelers for you. Things are going to get leveled down for you, which is going to be very, very important. So yeah, this is what it is for you, pile number 1. I hope I was able to help you. And let me know if this resonated. Claim this energy. It was very, very nice and nice, sweet kind of a reading for you. And that is what it is from my side. Definitely like, save, share, comment, whatever you want to watch next. And definitely subscribe to my channel. Hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a session with me, you can do so. All the information is in the description below. And yeah, I will see you soon. All right. Bye. All right. So if you have chosen pile number 2, which is going to be the Black Kyanite, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what is the next big plot twist that is coming to you and what you need to know about it. Right off the bat, I feel like you guys, some of you are being really moody. बहुत moodiness है. Some of you guys are having very low threshold for bullshit. You're not entertaining people. You're not entertaining fools very easily. आपको irritation हो रही है stupidity से. You're a little irritated with the idea of people not being like, just in general, you're having a very moody energy with people around you. With friends also, you're getting very irritated. बहुत ही आपको ick हो रहा है. Some of you might have recently eaten some kind of a gourd. GOURD, gourd. So maybe this could be क्या होता है, परमल, टिंडा, करेला, or you know what is that? Loki. Something of that sort you guys have eaten recently. Some of you might have had rains in your place. अब वो तो हर जगह ही हो रहा है, लेकिन आपके यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा जोर से बारिश हो रही है. And you might be experiencing blackout around you a lot. Okay, तो light white ज़्यादा जाती है. So yeah, that is what it is. Some of you might be having quite a few vices. Are you guys a little bit into smoking, drinking? That is what is happening. So that is what is coming to me. This is just additional information. अगर ये आपके साथ है, then this is going to be something that you need to look into. Okay, so let's see what is it that is coming into your life. Some of you must be wearing black. Again, black energy is coming to me. Some of you might have recently eaten fish also. Okay, so yeah, coming back, you might be wearing black, blue, green, dark green, bottle green, white, polka dots on whatever you're wearing. That's it. Okay, so that is what it is. Let's see what is it that you can experience in the next, we'll see the timeline, in the next X amount of time. A big plot twist. Okay, plot twist. What is happening that is going to be changing the course of your life? So let's see. Ooh, Spy Master. Interesting. Okay, let me just see this also. Knowledge. Somebody will tell you something very significant indirectly. कुछ आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलने वाली है, कुछ नॉलेज मिलने वाला है, कोई विजडम होने वाली है फ्रॉम समबडी एल्स, विच इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इनडायरेक्ट. यू विल नॉट गेट दैट डायरेक्टली. यू विल नॉट गेट अ मैसेज दैट विल बी टोल्ड यू डायरेक्टली. कुछ इनडायरेक्ट, कुछ हिंट मिल सकती है, कोई आइडिया मिल सकता है, which will not be a conventional way of telling you, but you will be able to understand, okay, this is what the information is. So keep your eyes and ears open. Okay, keep yourself switched on. Some of you can if some of you are constantly seeing a lot of crows around you, okay, ravens around you, that is also a big benefactor. Last reading also I was getting an energy of raven, and here also I'm getting an energy of raven. Some of you might be losing a key. KEY, you are losing a key. ठीक है, कोई की हो सकती है, स्कूटी की चाबी है, सब कुछ आप you're going to get it, you're going to find it lost. Okay, okay guys, you have to take care of your health. Okay, your health is a little difficult. Okay, Um, Health you have to be careful about. Okay, a big plot twist can also be that I don't know why I'm getting an energy, but you might, some of you can come into some kind of a legal trouble with somebody. Okay, so this is something that you have to be very careful about, specifically for 2, 3, and 5 Bhagya Mulang. You might be having some legal problems. Okay, in the upcoming, let's see what the timeline is. Upcoming what months? यहाँ से देखते हैं, ठीक है? What is the timeline? Bad health is also something I can see, specifically for again 4 Bhagyang Mulang, 1 and 3 Bhagyang Mulang. Okay. Let's see what is the timeline. इधर से देखते हैं. Okay. Let's see from here. Timeline for this. This is mostly 6 months. Yeah, 6 to 8 months from now is something that you can expect. So the big plot twist is going to be the next 6 to 8 months is going to be very, very, very important, guys. Health का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना. So this is what I'm getting, okay? Somebody will tell you something about your health which you will ignore. Okay, so either you're going to a routine checkup and your doctor might say something very significantly, or you're getting a blood test report and you might see something a little off and you'll ignore it, but it is something that you need to pay attention to. Okay, please take this very seriously. Okay, I do see, and I don't want to scare you, but I do see that you can get a little ill. Okay, so you want to be very careful, very, very careful. Okay, that is what is the first thing that is coming to me. Now let's see anything else. What else is the big plot twist? देखो plot twist इसीलिए है क्योंकि ये चीजें slow down करेंगी. Court में जाना, या not court में जाना, but some kind of a legal trouble can happen, or some kind of a legal issue can happen where somebody can defame you or something of that sort. So what is the point? Point is that this is going to change a lot of things around you. Okay, so you want to be slightly careful. Okay, people are going to keep a lot of watchful eye on you. Maybe दूसरों की नजर आप पे बहुत है. So nazar is something that you want to be very careful about. Some of you are going to a tournament. I don't know why I'm getting an energy. Some of you are going to a tournament, a competitive tournament, and that is going to be very, very important for you guys. Some of you might be going to a chess tournament. Some of you might be going to like some kind of a volleyball tournament or basketball tournament. Some कुछ ना कुछ karate कुछ ऐसा आ रहा है tournament. Okay. Archery also. I don't know why I'm getting that. Okay. So that is what is going to happen. So be very, very mindful. हाँ मुझे पता था ये कार्ड आने वाला है. Some of you might also go to a concert. Some of you have been waiting for a concert to come or some kind of an event to come, and I think that is going to be a big change. It is going to bring about a big change. Why? Because you're going to meet somebody who is going to change your life altogether. It could be a friend, it could be a love interest. So something that is going to happen in the upcoming 6, 7, 8 months, where you're going to go to a concert, go to an event, and you might meet somebody which will change your life altogether. So the big plot twist is happening in this event, in this concert area. That's the first thing. Second thing is that some of you might be able to actually realize how beneficial it is to listen to your intuition, and this is directly linked to your health energy. So shayad somewhere at certain places you're going to be very careful about your intuition, and this is for women specifically. Your reproductive health is something that you have to be very mindful of. The next 6, 8 months are going to be very significant with regards to that. So something with regards to your reproductive health which you might be ignoring, and your intuition is telling you don't ignore. Finally, once you are able to hear your intuition, you will realize how great of a saving grace it is. Okay, so even this could be like a simple thing that you're having a tooth pain and you're avoiding going to the dentist or whatever, and you listen to your intuition and you're like, okay, you know what, there's something that I need to go, and the dentist tells you that, listen, oh my god, this is something that is very, very scary, you need to kind of get checked. So the doctor will say, thank god you listened to your intuition, because this was like, एक दिन आप लेट आ जाते तो प्रॉब्लम हो जाती. ऐसा सिचुएशन आने वाला है आपके लाइफ में. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट 6 to 8 months. ओके, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands, there is going to be 2 people fighting for your attention. Okay, 2 people, this could be male, female, whatever. 2 people or multiple people fighting for attention, which is going to be a big plot twist in your life. You'll be like, पहले तो एक भी भाव नहीं देता था, अब तो दो दे रहे हैं. So this is going to be very interesting. And I do believe that you will be confused. 2 of Swords with regards to Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. You're going to be confused in 2 people. Who to go with? This man or this man? Or if you're or if you're a man or whatever, जो भी आपका gender है, who to go with? Person A, person B. Okay, person A would be very dynamic, very interesting, very suave, very magnetic, very charming. Oh my god, he's so cute or she's so cute. The second person is going to be very nice, very thera, loyal, dedicated, honest, super nice guy, super nice person, very, very soft, docile, dedicated. So you're going to be having a choice between, do I want to go to with somebody who is very dashing, very charming, but very fickle and very unpredictable, or somebody who is very loyal, very dedicated, but boring and mediocre. So that is what is going to be a choice that you'll have to make. Okay, very, very interesting things are happening in pile number 2. Okay, quite a lot of stimulation is what I can see. So this is going to be another big plot twist. I also believe that some of you will be going to experience, I don't know why I'm getting this energy, but I'll say some of you are learning how to ride a bike, okay? Riding a bike or riding a two-wheeler, specifically bike riding, motorbike riding, or some of you are going to a motorbike, kya bolte usse, journey, like a solo drive also, okay? This could be male or female, anybody. Some of you are also going to a roller coaster. I don't know why I said that. Roller coaster mein ja rahe ho aap. Some of you will get in touch with some person who is very dangerous. Okay. Some of you will meet somebody who is in the mafia or who is a gangster or who is so-called gang leader kind of a person. अपने आपको बहुत ही मतलब आई एम माफिया काइंड ऑफ एन एनर्जी ऐसे देखते हैं, तो आप इनसे भिड़ोगे, आप इनको ऐसे मिलोगे. ओके, सम ऑफ यू विल बी वेरी particular about changing your day-to-day routine. I think day-to-day routines are changing for sure. You are not liking the place you are at. You're not enjoying the kind of routine that you're having, and you're going to be doing active measures to change it. That is going to be a big plot twist in your life, because routine shift होने वाला है, तो automatically mindset change होने वाला है. Some of you you'll feel closer to your feminine needs. This could be male or female. You'll get closer to your feminine needs, which means that you will feel much more intuitive, which you will feel much more controlled. You'll feel much more in flow. Flow mein ho gaya. Whatever you're doing, it will be very fluid. It will not be forced. You're not going to force any reaction out of yourself. You're not going to force any emotion out of yourself. Whatever you are acting, it's coming naturally, very organic. There's no fakeness. There's no facade. There's no pretense that I can see in the upcoming 6, 7, 8 months. Okay. That is what is coming. Now, let's see what else is the next big plot twist that you can experience. Problems to be resolved. Certain problems will definitely get resolved for you. But I do believe that in the midst of all of this, one thing that you should ensure is do not lower your standards for yourself, for others. Do not be okay with anything and everything. Don't say yes to everything and anything. Have standards. Have a level in your life. Okay. Very, very important advice. Definitely there's a journey that you're taking, and this is a physical journey that you're taking, or even a mental one, but there's a journey that you're taking, a journey which is going to be a new journey for you. I feel like a new sense of identity is coming to you. I don't know why. There is a new kind of a version that you're gonna build. Okay, so either you're literally having a new start, some of you are starting college or something of that sort, or some of you are actually going into a marriage setup where your identity is going to change. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे नया journey start होने वाली है आपकी. Some kind of a new journey is going to begin. You're going to begin a new phase of your life. A transformative phase of your life is coming to you, which is going to change your life altogether. There's an alteration of life. Some of you might actually reach closer to the life purpose that you have. So maybe there's a sense of purpose that you'll be having in your life, and you're going to turn closer to that kind of a purpose in your life. Okay, I think there will be a sense of lesson that you're going to be learning. Very important lesson about what? Let's see that. Money also will be very good to you in this month. Sorry, in the upcoming, maybe in this month. अभी मैंने in this month बोल दिया, तो शायद इस महीने baby money can be kind to you, and you can find yourself not getting very bothered with the sight that okay, money is not very much in your life. Maybe your family is getting a lot of money, or you are feeling at ease with regards to your financial stature, and you're able to get a sense of pleasure in your financial energies, right? So let's see what is the lesson that you're going to be learning in this upcoming time. Like, what is this lesson that is going to change and alter your life, which is a big plot twist. Okay, this fell out, so I'm going to be looking at this only. Next big plot twist. Lessons. People who enjoy when you are getting cured, like when you are having problems in life, you're going to learn a lesson about that. People will genuinely, when you're going through a tough time, people enjoy it. Even if those are your well-wishers, even if it is your best friend, even if it is your good friend, there is a sense of happiness that they get when things are not going in your favor, when things are not working out for you, when you're having troubles in your life. And I think that is a lesson that you're going to learn in a very hard manner, कि कभी-कभी कुछ-कुछ चीजें आपको अकेले करनी पड़ती हैं. And sometimes you need to understand that the best way to perfect certain things in life, or the best way for you to move ahead in your life, is to be absolutely silent. Okay, it's like people actually hate, like, I'm going to be honest with you, your well-wishers will actually hate the fact that you're going ahead more than them in your personal life, in your career, in your friend life, whatever. So there will be a rude awakening that you'll have, which is that, you know what, it's better that I have bad, like it's better to have no company rather than bad company. You will realize that a lot of people are jealous of you, like not in a she's jealous in a way where they're your friends, but they get a kick out of the fact that things are slowing down for you. They get a kick that, oh, this person is also as miserable as I am. That is something that you're going to learn in this timeline. Okay, then this is a big shift, this is a big change that you're going to have. तो आपको एक sense of, as I told you, एक rude awakening होने वाली है आपकी. Okay, let's see more. What else is happening? Some of you are also going to a protest. I don't know why. Could change your life. Ooh, this is very important. I think you're going to be very particular about how you speak about yourself to other people. You know, I feel like you guys are slightly self-deprecative. तो आप जब दूसरों के साथ होते हो ना, तो अपनी कभी-कभी खुद की बेइज्जती कर लेते हो. Or sometimes, I'm not saying बेइज्जती, I will say that sometimes you can make fun of yourself. Or if other people are making fun of you, you'll just laugh it out. This in the upcoming 6, 7, 8 months, you're not going to talk ill about yourself. You're going to speak about yourself kindly. You're going to show yourself off. You're going to buy something or purchase something that is going to be like a show off thing. You're going to be showing off your asset, something of your sorts you're showing off. Maybe you're purchasing some kind of a product which is going to show off your beauty, or maybe you're going to purchase something which is a very nice designer kind of something that is going to, you know, be a show off. Aap show off karoge, which is a very important thing for your like for your self-esteem. To boost your self-esteem, it's okay to be indulgent. And I think you're doing that for sure. Indulgence aa raha hai. Some kind of a luxurious, you know, accommodation or a trip or a investment or some kind of a piece of article or a clothing item you are getting in your life. And it's not a very big plot twist as much as it is an improvement in the way you look at yourself. Okay? What else? Some kind of a young woman is going to change your life. A young woman is going to change your life. Okay? Some young woman, okay, younger to you. So whoever you are, if you're even like 15 years old, a person younger to you could change your life. Okay, she is going to do something in your life which is going to be changing. Yeah, enemies are working against you. I'm getting an energy very strongly where some of your enemies will show up. Okay, some people who are your friends will come out as enemies. Some people who are your well-wishers will come out as enemies, and you will realize that these people are working against you. Okay, that will be a very big lesson. And you know, these are those kind of people who are not actively harmful for you, but they're not even your well-wishers. Like they're not even wanting to wish you well. I'm getting an energy where this could be a person like in your friend circle or whatever, कि जब भी आप कुछ नया स्टार्ट करते ना, वो आपको हमेशा कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करेंगे. नहीं ऐसा अच्छा नहीं है. Yeah, if say suppose you've just started a page, Instagram page, you will never see them liking it, you never see them following it, you never see them sharing this. It will just be like नाम का support in me. Okay, there's a big announcement that you're going to be making. I don't know what kind of an announcement. What announcement are you going to be making in the next 6 to 8 months? A big announcement is what you're going to be making. 10 of Cups. Are you getting married? No, marriage nahi dikh raha hai. Maybe you guys are coming into a relationship. That announcement you're going to be making. Okay, 10 of Swords. Okay, I think you're going to be making a very huge announcement of some kind of an ending, which will also be some kind of a start. Okay, 10 of Swords यहाँ पे आ रहा है. King of Cups. Okay, what I'm getting is that you are going to be making a big announcement with regards to your current relationship status, and you're going to be like, you know what? Either I'm done with this person, and I'm wanting to be me, like I am kind of interested in another person altogether, or you're going to change your type. Type in the people that you like. वो change होने वाला है. The kind of people that you used to like is going to be changing in the upcoming 6, 7, 8 months, where now you're going to start liking different kind of people, okay, altogether, like different kind of like type आपका change होने वाला है. Again, with the 10 of Cups, 10 of Swords and King of Cups, there will be a regulation that you're going to be having with regards to your emotions. I think the big announcement that you're going to be making is that initially I used to feel very anxious in my life. I think I've controlled my emotions. I think my emotions are subdued. I don't feel overexcited. I don't feel underconfident as well. At certain places, you're also going to announce the fakeness of some people, right? I'm getting an energy where this energy that I told you, right? People working against you, you're going to expose them. You're going to expose this energy. You're going to expose certain people. That's why I'm getting an energy of defamation. काफी एक high level पे exposing energy दिख रही है मुझे, कुछ expose करने वालों किसी को. Maybe I'm getting an energy where somebody you used to like is going to get exposed badly with you, and this is going to be a big tamasha. It's going to be a big tamasha, and people. It's not like you're going to go into a legal situation with them, but ऐसा हो सकता है कि this person can bring their family into it. You can bring their family into it, and family वाला situation हो सकता है, or this could be a very big kind of a dramatic situation in your workspace or in your career, in your love life, in your personal life. So it can consume a lot of areas of your life. That is what is happening. some of you are not going to be focusing on, like, the biggest plot twist that is coming to me for you guys is that your way of of tackling fears is not going to come out uh, of worry. Okay, like say suppose you're fearful about certain things, you're not going to be timid about it. अगर कोई fear है ना, तो you will be very like on the face of it कि ठीक है, अगर मुझे डर लग रहा है, मेरे को इसको हैंडल करना है. तो बेसिकली मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कोई भी अगर खतरा आपके सामने है, you're ensuring that खतरा you're able to tackle. You're not running away from that खतरा. पहले कोई भी fear होता था, आप उसे भागते थे, वो भागना नहीं हो रहा है. अब you're like, you know what, I'll handle this fear. Either I tackle this fear or the fear consumes me. That is the mindset. Okay, that is what is happening. Anything else? Anything else that I can see for you guys? Okay, these are the two cards that came out. You know, there was a time where there was a lot of thinking. Okay, now you're like, you know what, there's no need for me to think too much. I need to be able to just do. Doing energy aa rahi hai. Pehle with the Seven of Pentacles, there were places where you were kind of always in this renegotiating energy, where is this making sense for me, is this not making sense for me, is this friend worth it, is this person not worth it. And in the upcoming 6-8 months, I feel like you're going to be okay with wherever the life is taking at. You're just going to plant a seed and you're going to see where it heads, right? You're just going to take that decision. And yeah, again with the Two of Swords, you're going to take that decision and you're not going to be worried about what is the outcome of it. You'll be like, yeah, jo bhi outcome aane wala hai, I'll tackle it. I'll go for it. I think there were a lot of fears with regards to taking decisions. You're very fearful about the energy of you were very fearful about the idea of kya bolte usse, of the results of the actions that you take. Okay, repercussions. Yeah, you are very fearful of the repercussions of your decisions, and you're no longer going to be afraid of those repercussions. You're like, okay, if I made a mistake, I made a mistake. If the things are going right in my favor, it's going right in my favor. So again, very interesting energies, guys, I'm getting. Anything else? Someone new is entering your life. Yeah, this is definitely an energy of love. I don't know why. Love energy hai mujhe bahut strongly lag rahi hai. Yeah, King of Wands. Somebody who is going to be very impactful in your life, in all areas of life, is going to come into your life. This person could be somebody in your career. This person could be somebody in your studies. This person could be somebody in your college. This person could be somebody in your workspace. New, very, very significant energy. Somebody who's going to leave a huge impact, lasting impact, is coming into your life, right? So yeah, this is what it is for you guys. Pile number 2. I hope this was something that helped you. Again, not something that is too hectic or something that you have to be worried about. A very interesting shift, plot twist aa raha hai aapke life mein, which is going to be fun, exciting. And again, whenever we talk about plot twists, it doesn't have to be something which is going to be 180-degree shift and you're going to become a total alien and मतलब यहाँ से आपके बाल निकलने वाले हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just a small shift in your life which is going to be significant over time. So it's not going to be like a huge 180-degree shift immediately. It's going to be like 1%, 2%, 3%, which over time will become 100%, right? So yeah, pile number 2, this is what is it for you guys. Let me know if this helped, if it resonated, and definitely do save this and let me know what happened after 6 to 8 months. And definitely like, save, share, comment what you want to watch next, and subscribe to my channel and hype this video as many times as you can. And if you want to book a personal session with me, all the information is in the description box below. And I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.